Hello everyone, this is Jemima from Pvt Ltd, Pvt Ltd, India. Today we are going to discuss about a common equipment which is used in the paint and finishing industries to check the thickness of the coating, that is the coating thickness gauge or the TFT meter. Corrosion protection has become a very important product quality requirement these recent years. Manufacturing companies and users are more aware of the damage to their products if they do not provide sufficient corrosion protection. Modern technologies on surface treatment is by painting with organic or metallic coatings to ensure the longer life of the product. Because of these factors, a coating thickness gauge is required to check the thickness of the paint. Why is it used? A coating thickness gauge enables a quick assessment to the quality of the paint finished and verifies whether it matches the desired thickness. What is the basic principle behind its operation? There are basically two methods. One is the magnetic induction and the other eddy current principle. Magnetic induction is the property by which an ordinary piece of iron acquires magnetic properties temporarily due to the presence of another magnet close to it. When a sensor is placed on the ferrous substrate, the magnetic flux lines are generated. By keeping a non-magnetic coating on the ferrous substrate, the magnetic flux lines are disturbed. Hence, the distance equals the thickness of the coating. In eddy current principle, the electric current flows in a circular loop within its conductor. By placing the sensor on the non-ferrous substrate, the electric loop gets generated. By placing a non-conductor on the surface, the electrical loops are disturbed. Hence, the distance between the probe and the substrate gives the thickness of the coat. There are coating thickness gauges which operates both on magnetic induction as well as eddy current principle. It automatically switches from one principle of operation to the other depending upon the substrate. It has a wide range of applications like automobile industries, aerospace industries, paint and finishing industries and NDT laboratories. In recent technologies, the coating thickness gauge is directly connected with the mobile phones and it's operated with Bluetooth or wireless connections. One of Bombay Supply Agency Pvt Ltd's flagship product is the jafuji coating thickness gauge. This gauge operates with both magnetic induction as well as eddy current principle. The maximum range of operation is from 0 to 1250 microns. It is extremely simple to use and it comes with a zero plate of both steel and aluminium which is used to set zero and check the instrument's operation. The probe automatically detects whether the base material is of ferrous or non-ferrous material. This is the jafuji coating thickness gauge kit AC112AS. It consists of a coating thickness gauge, a zero base plate of both ferrous and non-ferrous substrates. This is the probe which can measure on both ferrous and non-ferrous substrates. There are various sizes of foils available which is used to check the instrument's operation. For a better understanding, let's check 400 plus or minus 5 micron tolerance foil. Now the jafuji coating thickness gauge is turned on. Initially set the instrument to 0. Now place the foil. The probe automatically detects the ferrous substrate. Now it detects on the non-ferrous substrate. The V-groove on this probe helps in positioning on cylindrical shafts. There are also various types of probes available like high temperature probe and 90-degree angle probe which is used to check inside pipes. Jafuji coating thickness gauge comes with a 1 year of warranty and an enabling calibration certificate. We also have a wide range of coating thickness gauges including mechanical and electrical types. As a good measuring practice, it is always recommended to set 0 on your uncoated part and then check the coating thickness on the coated part. We hope you found this video informative. Feel free to contact us and for more details visit www.btsa.in.